How to clean your diamond jewelry at home. Every day, grime can keep your diamond jewelry from looking its best. Having it professionally cleaned regularly can be expensive. We have a safe, easy, and effective solution for you. All you need is your jewelry piece, a bowl, baking soda, lukewarm water, a soft bristled toothbrush, a lint-free cloth. Mix 1 part of baking soda and 1 part lukewarm water in the bowl. Dip the toothbrush in the mixture and use it gently to scrub your diamond jewelry. Rinse it with clean water. Pat dry with a lint-free cloth. Your diamond jewelry will now sparkle like new.